Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling airy as we have another pick a card reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. In today's reading, we are exploring their current feelings, okay? So, how do they honestly feel about you? So, get your tea, get your snacks, get your juice, get your water or your water, depending on where you are, okay? From which side of the pond. We're gonna get into it. Ooh la la. Water tea. Tea sippers, water tea. Tea sippers, water tea. Welcome, welcome, welcome tea sippers. Yeah. So we have pile one, pile two, and pile three. Okay, so go to that number that's calling you as we gather those juicy, juicy, juicy intuitive gems. And if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome to Gwan Tarot and Tea. At Gwan Tarot and Tea, we like to bring in some Jamaican Caribbean flavor into the reads. We use Jamaican Proverbs, okay, and the name of our channel, Gwan, okay, at Tarot and Tea. Gwan is Jamaican Patois, and it simply means what is going on in Jamaican Patois. It is used as a greeting, okay, and we're going to just explore, okay, in this today's love reading. So welcome, welcome, welcome. We also like to channel messages, okay, intuitively, whether that's coming through song, okay, whether it's coming through the cards or a message you need to hear right now, okay. So get comfortable, okay. We operate in the energy of love here, okay. I am a Gemini, and as a Gemini, okay, my card is the lovers, okay. That's the energy that we operate here. So welcome, welcome, welcome. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. We have to do the bogle dance, okay. Big up, big up, big up to you all. Thank you for all your love and your support, okay, and it is greatly appreciated. So big up, big up, big up, big up. So if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And also by subscribing, it also allows to connect with your energy so we can fuel those juicy, juicy intuitive gems into the reading, okay. And we're all about take what resonates and leave the rest, okay. So we're going to give you a moment to channel in which number you would like to go to. And if you're feeling like, I'm not too sure, or you're just feeling like you just want to gather each, or if you want to gather all of the intuitive gems from each reading, feel free to do so. More the merrier, okay? You're more than welcome. Again, we're all about taking what resonates and leave the rest, okay? So before we like to get into the reads, we like to bring in some good gratitude energy, and we do this by like this little thankful kind of way of saying just to give thanks, okay? So let's begin. So thank you, universe, thank you, spirit guides, thank you, guardian angels, thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's reading. How do they honestly feel about you? We're exploring their current feelings, okay? And may the messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition, as we're all about empowerment here. So trust their intuition and to use their discernment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, pile one, pile two, or pile three. Go to that number that's calling you and I hope you have something nice to sip on or to snack on, or maybe just to sip on so you can gather those juicy intuitive gems, because hydration is, it's a little tip here, but hydration is always a great way to connect with your intuition. So we will see you on the other side, okay? Wagwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan, my generals. So we're on pile 1 and we are exploring how do they honestly feel about you. Okay, now how do they honestly feel can pull out lots of intuitive gems about how do they view you and how do they feel about you. So we're exploring essentially their current feelings. Okay, so if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Big up yourselves. To our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, share and comment. And also by subscribing, it also allows me to connect with your energy so we can gather those juicy intuitive gems together. Now there is also an all signs tarot reading that is linked to this pick a card reading. Okay, so it will be in the link down below. Okay, there will be a link down below in the comments. Okay, so do have a look at that reading, okay, where it gives an all signs element as well as a collective tarot element. So do have a look and gather those juicy intuitive gems. And I did really enjoyed taking that time to just pull out lots of clues or lots of information. Okay, so I hope it resonates, and let's get straight into this read. So, and we're going to see Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. Now, I'm currently sipping on some water and some peppermint tea, but that peppermint tea is just finished. It was really refreshing. So do put it in the comments down below what you're sipping on. I'd love to engage with you all. Okay, so thank you. Right, we are going to explore, okay, how do they honestly feel? Okay, now it has fallen on pile 1, so there might be some messages of new beginnings. Okay, so we're going to have a look and see if there are. Okay, oi, 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 oi. We have the 9 of Wands. So collective, if you have picked pile 1 or you've been drawn to pile 1, do have a look at the all signs tarot reading, as it's very, there is a lot of energy here that resonates with the all signs tarot reading, okay, on their current feelings, channeling those messages, okay, regarding their current feelings. Now with the 9 of Wands, we're going to take it to tarot school at Gwan Tarot. The 9 of Wands is telling us that there is some barriers here, or this person has created some kind of barriers. Perhaps the barriers could be distractions, okay, that they have kind of put around them, or those have been some kind of coping mechanisms to deal with feelings. Now, the wands represent fire energy. So think of the fire elements, okay, in the zodiac sign, okay? Just give you a little sec, okay? All right. Well, it's the Aries, okay? So Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, okay? So the fire, those are the signs that represent the fire element. But also, in terms of the chakras, okay, we have this, what is called the sacral chakra. We're going to bring out our sacral colors so you can have a look, okay? So it typically is usually seen as like a orange color for the sacral chakra. Now that represents the energy of passion, creativity, okay, you know, that kind of like that energy to kind of take heed with passion and drive, ambition, okay? And it's located in that kind of region, in that in the sexual reproductive region, okay? So if we can see that there's this energy is very strong in the 9 of Wands card, This tells us that this person may be very busy at this time, or they have been trying to keep themselves very busy at this time, because with seeing this energy, okay, we have lots of wands, okay. Imagine it's like having lots of these all over, okay. And if you see, can you see what's going on here as well in this card? We have all of these wands, 8 of wands here, okay. But we have this wand covering all of the chakras, okay. So we have the sacral chakra that's been covered, okay. We have the solar plexus chakra, which represents the energy of confidence and self-esteem, okay, located in the stomach area, okay, which is also being covered. We have the root chakra, okay, with the red color representing upbringing, how you was raised, your childhood, okay, those past life experiences located here. And it also represents the sense of security and stability, okay, located here, just underneath the sacral, okay. Then we have the heart chakra, okay, so self-explanatory, this heart chakra representing our heart, our ability to give and receive love, okay. Now that, if you look carefully, that's also being blocked. And not only is it being blocked, they're also placing their hand over the wand. Do you see that? Do you see that, tea sippers? Okay. So there's a lot of barriers being put in place, okay? Then we have the throat chakra, okay? In this blue color, okay, again self-explanatory. The throat chakra represents the energy of communication, talking, okay, communicating how you feel. So we can see there's a lot going on here. Then we have also the purple, okay, which can represent the crown chakra, and we can say the third eye, okay. So the third eye is like connecting to your intuitive senses, okay, our own intuitive psychic senses, okay, as well as the crown. So being able to look and reflect on things, okay, our thinking, how we see and think of things, our mindset, okay. So we can see that there's a lot of things kind of being covered at this time. If you see as well that this person appears like they are wounded at the crown, and it's like they need time to think, they need time to process things, they need time to connect with how they're feeling, because it could be that this person may struggle with communicating their feelings, especially to their love interest. Okay, so that's what we are seeing here, okay. Now, perhaps you could be a fire sign, or this person could be a fire sign, or they could be operating in this energy of really trying to keep themselves booked and busy, okay? So, we're going to have a look now into some more intuitive gems that want to come through for the collective. Now, the message that's coming through is, let's start with the subconscious. Let's have a look and see what's going on in their dream state, in their late night state, because that's going to give us a lot of intuitive gems, okay? So for the collective who chose pile 1, reveal to the collective how this person is feeling in their late night thoughts, in their subconscious. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. All right, so let's have a look how this person honestly feels about you. So how does this person honestly feels about you? How does this person honestly feel about you? We have their confidence shines through every outfit they wear, making me admire them even more. Ooh wee. Any more? So do you see, we was just mentioned earlier about the solar plexus, confidence. Confidence. So there could be something there as well about them perhaps not being in their most confident state to express how they feel. But they are admiring your confidence. Okay? Okay, any more messages? We have, their desire for me is like a flame that burns brighter with every touch. Okay, now this person could also be feeling like they are sensing you, they're sensing your energy, and also could be wanting your energy. Okay, now we are looking into their late night thoughts, but it is revealing some messages about how they feel about you. So last shuffle. We have another message about the last time. Now, usually with the late night thoughts and the subconscious, it usually evokes the last time they saw you. Okay, so there's something significant between you and this person and the last time they had interaction with you. We have the last time we embraced. I felt a connection so profound it left me craving more. So this person and how they honestly feel about you, there was a lot to, it feels like there was a lot for them to unpack, okay? And perhaps they're still trying to process it. Perhaps they are trying to keep themselves busy. It could also be like they are wondering and overthinking things at this time as well. Okay? All right. So we are going to have a look at some feelings. Okay, we've got the feelings for you deck, and we're going to have a look and see what feelings want to come through from this deck on how they honestly feel. Okay. All right, trying to get all of the deck. All right. But before we do, we're going to take a nice collective sip of water or tea or juice, okay? Or a beverage of your choice, okay? All right. So I'm going to take a sip. You ready? We're going to take a collective sip as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems and see what wants to come through in this deck. All right. Let's take a sip. La la. Right. We're going to channel those energy, okay, from this person, okay, that wants to reveal lots of messages for you. How do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? Because we can see that there is a lot of chakras being like guarded at this time. So it's by taking this time to explore, it's going to help us to understand, okay, understand where this person is coming from, okay? So let's take this time to just, and you can do this with me, okay? Really practice your intuitive power, your intuitive muscle, collective, all right? We're channeling those feelings. How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? Reveal the messages the collective need to see. All right. Ooh, we got some messages coming through. Now I'm going to sing the Shuffle Baby, okay? Shuffle Baby. We're going to bring in some fire energy, okay? Fire energy to my air energy to bring this passionate energy forward, okay? So the song is Shuffle Baby, okay? Now some of you may know it, okay? And to those who are new here, it's just a little thing that we like to do to bring out those feelings, okay? All right. Shuffle baby, shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, yeah. Shuffle baby, woo. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Last shuffle. Woo, woo, woo. We got one that fell away, that flew away. So just give me a sec so we could get that card, because there's definitely a lot of messages here for the collective. Okay. Gwan. Gwan, tea sippers. So we've got the card that flew away. Okay. Right, so we're going to have a look at all of these juicy, intuitive gems and see what this person wants you to know or understand right now. Again, what we do here, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Now, this could be a crush, someone from a recent past, okay, or a current love interest. Take the messages where it resonates. We have, I'm sorry if I wasn't there when you needed me. I am scared of what the future holds for us. I'm working on becoming a better person for you. I'm afraid to lose you. I dream about you every night. Look at this collective coming through. Now, sometimes when I do that little it's just allowing, it's just a little way of knowing that the downloads are coming through. I'm sorry for my mistakes. I've never met anyone like you before. I cherish every moment we had together. I'm ready to fight for us. So we can see here that there is some kind of new beginning energy that this person wants as well. But there's also like this kind of feeling of being conflicted as well. Okay, I'm scared of my feelings for you, and we see that with the 9 of Wands. We can see that energy. If you look at this person, there is like a wounded energy here, and it could be also things that they are still dealing with, navigating and trying to make sense of. You are the one I want to come home to. Your absence is a constant reminder of what I lost. You are all I ever wanted. So you are all I ever wanted. I long for the day when we can be together again. I'm haunted by the memories of us. I feel like you are slipping away from me. I can't imagine my life without you. So we can see that there's lots of feelings here, okay? And we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what the Jamaican proverb wants you to know right now, what message resonates here. Can we reveal a Jamaican proverb that resonates with how they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? Reveal the Jamaican proverb. How do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel about you? So it's trying to come through. Ooh, we have 3. So we have take what you get till you get what you want. So take what you get until you get what you want. In the Jamaican style, take what you get till you get what you want. Take what you get till you get what you want. So this energy is essentially saying that this person may be like realizing or knowing that there are some steps that they need to take, working on themselves, working on their own confidence, working on their own worth. There's definitely an energy or feeling of self-worth here that they still need to work on, that get themselves to a place where they can then meet you. Okay, it could also be that this person is also trying to make peace with themselves and confess to themselves that there are some things that they're realizing that they need to let go of, so they can be more in alignment with what they truly want and desire. Okay, so working towards your goals, every little steps helps you to get where you want to be. So being disciplined and more consistent. We also have self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. In the Jamaican style, self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. Okay, self-praise is no recommendation, darling. Okay, so there is also this energy of perhaps this person may have been used to their ego being like flattered, okay, where it's like this person may be really like used to like people praising them for things that they're good at. Now we can see that perhaps career, okay, because we have this energy about this person keeping themselves booked and busy. Perhaps they are really good at doing things where maybe people around them or colleagues will say, oh yeah, you're really good at this. We're going to call this person John, okay? Now the name Tom came through, okay? Perhaps someone could be dealing with a Tom, okay? But it feels like this person is treading on waters that they are not familiar with, okay? Now, if you know the saying, put it in down below. It's coming through, something to do with waters, like untreaded waters or something like that, okay? It feels like when it comes to love life and navigating their connections, this is something that they're not so good with. So it's almost like they struggle here, and it's an area that where they need to work on, and they recognize they need to work on it. Okay, so don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you, and this is what they're realizing. Okay, we have member say the wall have ears. Member say. So remember, the wall have ears. Remember, the wall have ears. So in the Jamaican style, remember say, the wall have ears, you know. Remember say, the wall have ears. Okay, this is all about be careful who is listening. Be careful who is listening. So we're gonna have a bit of clarification here and see what is coming through here. We're gonna use the feelings for you deck and see what wants to come through, and we'll have a look as well with the tarot. So why be careful of who is listening. What's going on here is the message that's coming through is that this person could be worried about expressing how they feel for some apprehension towards being mocked, looking foolish, or appearing foolish. That's what's coming through as a download, okay? Now let's see what wants to come through in these cards. So let's see what wants to come through for the collective. Tea Sippers Collective. What's going on with this person? Why do they want to be... There's this energy of be careful who's listening. Yes, look. Collective, look at what's come here. My heart aches for you. So there is somebody, as we saw earlier with that energy, sometimes when we see the Nine of Wands that comes into a love reading, it really is telling us that someone is really trying to find ways to distract themselves, keep themselves busy. Again, that energy of woundedness. Okay, really, it feels like this person could be like in silence, really trying to navigate this connection, okay, having these strong feelings, and not, it could be also apprehensive about who they share, how they actually feel, okay, even it could be even trying to seek advice or guidance. They could be feeling like, oh, this is how I'm feeling and I'm trying to navigate it. So I'm going to keep myself booked, keep myself busy, keep myself doing things, okay? All right. So we're going to leave you with some guess who's, okay? We're going to have some guess who's. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Before we do, we said the tarot. Get the tarot out and see, okay? So let's have a look and see. My heart aches for you. My heart aches for you. Reveal the message that the collective need to see. So reveal the message that the collective need to see. We're just going to, just clarification. Reveal the message. Okay, we have here, look at this. We have the death card. The death card has come through. So there is definitely this a mourning energy. Okay, perhaps there's been a separation between you two. Perhaps this person is feeling like missed opportunities. Okay, and they are mourning those missed opportunities. Perhaps this person is now realizing, okay, if for those, if it's like a case of since you've been gone, this person is now realizing how much love, how much care, and it feels like there's definitely a self-sabotage energy. Someone's realized that they've made some self-sabotaging moves, okay, that has hindered this connection. But with the death, there's also this energy of wanting transformation. So back again, we have the energy of number one, okay, in one in numerology and in tarot representing the energy of new beginnings, new start. So there is this hope, okay, a hope that maybe the two of you can come back in this connection, okay. Have a quick look at the front. Yes, we have King of Swords. So there's definitely, this person's come, okay, we call this person John. John has come to this energy of like clarity, and it's like what's happened has made them learn that they have to become or even reflect and understand the purpose and of this connection, okay. It feels like there's a lot of spiritual lessons here as well for this person. We have the Two of Wands. Look at this. Look at this collective. Now, the energy of the Two of Wands wanting to push themselves, get out there, connect to that sacral chakra, okay? Passion, ambition, and drive, okay? To make things happen. This is also a message of like, they may want to come to you, they may want to contact you, okay? They could also be trying to work out things and maybe putting themselves in alignment to make themselves more available, make themselves allow themselves to prioritize, okay, not just prioritizing work and career and things like, but prioritizing the connection, making time for it, okay. And look what's behind here, the Chariot. Look at that, wanting to come towards you with this energy. We're gonna have a look in the middle. We have the Justice card. So there's definitely been a spiritual lesson here for this person to realize, sometimes material things isn't all that it appears, and it's important that we look for meaningful connections in our life. And this person has come to that realization, okay. Perhaps this person may have had some issues in their current career. It could be some maybe issues, maybe some life tribulations, trial and tribulations, and it has made them realize like, whoa, like there's more to life. There's more to life than my material things, okay? Because we see that scale, and there's definitely this energy that this person has come to a realization, okay? Some awakening of some sort, okay? Oi, 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 oi. All right, so we'll leave that here so you can see this, okay? These cards are here. So now we are going to look at some guess who's and see what messages want to come through. So reveal some guess who's just to help to describe this person maybe any interest they may have or what they're into. Reveal the messages the tea sippers who chose pile 1 need to see. Okay, the tea sipper generals. Let's see. Yes, we've got some messages. Reveal those messages. Reveal those messages. Okay. Last shuffle. Woo, we got some flyaways. Okay, you can pick those ones quickly. Yep. Because they're right next to me, which is fine. So, look at this collective. We have something significant to do with eye color here. Now, if this person has blue, this person may have blue eye color, or they might have something to do with eyes. Okay, maybe the eyes is, it could be some kind of like something that they're trying to communicate, and maybe like you saw them, how you saw them, how you viewed them. Maybe it could have made this person feel nervous. Okay, because it's like you're looking into one's soul, one's spirit. Okay. We have an unexpected twist here as well. This card suggests that there is a surprise element in the relationship or situation with this person, okay? And perhaps that's what we're seeing here, is that the unexpected twist is this person has seen the lessons. There's been a lot of lessons that this person has realized, like, wow, you've come into my life for a reason, and there was lots of things that I had to learn about myself, and also for me to work on myself. Okay, we have here creative fields. So this person may work in a creative environment, okay, such as being an artist, writer, or musician, or they may just have a creative flair about them. Okay, because we saw again the wands energy, and the wands does represent that creative energy. Okay. We have ambitious, okay? So this person is driven and has big goals that they want to achieve in life, okay? Caring. This person is compassionate and shows care for others, often putting others' needs before their own. This person possibly could be a Gemini. This person could be a Gemini, known for their adaptability and curiosity. They might enjoy variety and intellectual pursuits. Height, average. This person may have an average height, okay? Or it could be something significant about height. Now, it could also be something significant about hair, okay? Now, the hair color grey has popped through. So this person has grey or silver hair, possibly indicating maturity or age. So if this person doesn't have grey hair, it could be something significant about hair or eye color that they are trying to bring into the read. We have Cancer as well. So this person could be a Cancer, known for their emotional depth and intuition. They might be nurturing and protective. We have education. This person works in education, okay? Or they may have some kind of role where there is some kind of learning aspect to it. It could also be that this person has seen the need to maybe take time to learn on how to deal with their emotions and express themselves, okay? We have a personalized message for you, tea sippers. So just know that you are loved, and if you see this message, let this be your reminder that you, yes, tea sippers, you are loved, supported, and to embrace self-love. And we're going to bring in Auntie Self-Love, okay? Messages from Auntie Self-Love, okay? Your favorite Jamaican auntie. Darling, honey, just remember, okay? Remember that you are loved and you are supported, all right? Yes, remember, all right? So that's all Auntie Self-Love is saying. Just know that you are loved, and you to embrace your self-love. So we have career. So this person values career and professional achievements. They might be very focused on their work and career growth. Okay, we've seen that energy has been very strong in this reading. So Let's see, because we saw the Two of Wands, so we're going to leave you with this energy of if they could give you a love letter or a text or a love text or a text, or just a letter or a text or a message. Let's see what message will come through, okay? So we're going to leave you with this message to close the reading. So we'll reveal the message that this person will give you, okay? If they had that chance to just talk from the heart, communicate, and just tell you how they feel, okay? How they honestly feel, reveal that message that for the collective, how do they honestly feel, okay? So they were given that chance to just be open, just to be honest. How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? And I hope channel this energy with me, collective. Okay, we're going to reveal that message that you need to see right now. Again, these messages are timeless, okay? Okay. Let's see, how do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly, ooh, wait, we got 3, baby. We're going to take that one too, okay? Trying to pop through. So we got 4 messages that have come through for the collective. All right. So how do they honestly feel? So, tea sippers, collective, we call you Jane, okay? You are the sweetest serendipity. I wasn't looking for love, but oh, how beautifully it found me in you. Our love is like an endless ocean. It is deep, vast, and filled with mysteries. I want to explore with you by my side. Your smile is the sunrise that brightens my day and the lighthouse guiding me through every storm. I've loved a thousand different ways. Since I met you. Each one deeper and more meaningful than the rest. So collective, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Do have a look at our All Signs Tarot reading, okay? Their current feelings for you, channeled messages, okay? And gather those juicy intuitive gems. And if you are drawn to pile 2 or pile 3, more the merrier. Take the messages that resonate, and we say it with power around here, leave the rest. I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here, okay? So do have a look at our other pick a card readings, our all signs readings, and our collective tarot readings. And if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. But be sure to stay blessed, look good, feel good, keep sipping, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How are you all doing? Because we are on pile 2. And for pile 2, okay, we're going to explore how do they honestly feel about you. So if you are new here, big up. Welcome. Come on in, get nice and comfortable, because we're going to get into this juicy, intuitive gems and see what wants to come through in this in today's reading. And to our subscribers, big up, yeah. Hey, thank you for all of your support, okay? Big up. So I hope you got a nice cup of tea or a juice or some beverage or some water. Okay, I'm sipping on some water. I had some peppermint tea, but that's finished. Okay, so get nice and comfortable, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, click on that subscribe button so I can connect with your energy and we can reveal those intuitive, juicy gems that you need to see right now. And we're all about taking the messages that resonate and leave the rest, okay? So let's see what Gwan, okay, for pile 2. And Gwan is Jamaican patois, and it simply means what is going on, and that's what we're exploring today, okay? So let's have a look. Oi, 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 oi. We have the Sun cards. So how this person honestly feels about you. This person feels good when they think about you. This person feels good. They feel good. They feel good. Okay, it's not even, it's like good. Okay, it's we could just end this read right here. They just feel good. You bring out that energy. You bring out their inner child energy. You bring out that energy. It feels like they feel safe to express their masculine side as well as their feminine side. Okay, now we are of two energies. Okay, there's a lot of when it comes to this world, it's all about duality. Okay, and who knows about duality like a Gemini? Okay, there's the energy of duality. Okay, so this person feels comfortable to show those two sides. They feel comfortable to embrace their feminine side, to be softer, caring, nurturing, as well as their masculine side to be more action driven, okay, determined, all those kind of things. But also to be able to like show you their inner child, connect with you on like two children coming together, two inner childs, okay, loves coming together, expressing, enjoying life. And this is how this person sees you, okay, and this is also how they feel about you. Okay, there is a lot of vibrant energy here. Okay, this person may have also visualized what it will be like to have you in their life, like on a permanent, consistent level, committed level. Okay. Now there's a lot of orange here. That orange represents that sacral chakra. So we're going to keep it clean and classy. But this person might, have lots of maybe very sexually, very physically attracted to you also. Okay. And, maybe in that summer energy, there's that summer glow. Okay, we'll keep it clean and classy. Let your mind do the pondering and the wondering. Ooh la la. But there's definitely this energy that this person is very attracted to you, very drawn to you, and feel very compelled by your energy. Okay. It feels like this person feels like they could talk to you about anything, and they love that. And also, it's like it might be also new territory for them, like learning to open up and show that emotional vulnerability, expressing themselves, and really wanting to connect on a very intimate level with their partner. Okay, and it feels like this is what this person is seeking, and they're also seeking that as well in the partner, their love interest. Okay, to have that energy where, let's say, the two of you could sit and talk about anything, whether it's like ranging from politics to the latest like TV or like reality TV gossip. It feels like that's what it feels like. Okay. Oi, 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 oi. Ooh, so much from that card. Okay, so much energy came through from that card. So we're going to get straight into the Jamaican Proverb and see what wants to come through from the Jamaican Proverb. Reveal the message that the collective who chose pile 2 needs to see. How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel? Okay, now I feel like an energy of excitement here. Okay. Ooh, so let's have a look. Reveal the Jamaican proverb that the collective need to see. Reveal the Jamaican proverb that the collective needs to... Ooh, collective, we got a lot. We're going to pick one. We're going to pick one, okay? We won't pick one, but we'll do that again. Let's do it. Pick just one, please. One message, please. Because we'll be here forever. But we can see that this person wants forever with you, baby. Ooh, maybe that's why all these messages want to come through, because this person is like, I got a lot to say, and the fact that you've made me connect with my inner child says a lot, and I'm really drawn to that. I'm really, again, the energy of being compelled. I feel drawn to you. We have, look, be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Now, in the Jamaican style, be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. You don't really pronounce the H's so much, okay? So, in Jamaican, like, lingo, okay? Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money, okay? So this is like someone's taking their time to do some due diligence, to really connect with their thoughts, okay, before they go into investing into something. But it's like this person definitely has this interest of the long term, and it's coming through in the Jamaican Proverbs as well. Someone who's thinking deeply, okay, and perhaps they could be very analytical. Maybe it could be a Virgo you're dealing with, but it's somebody who's like, I want to, take that time to get myself together and look at the whole situation, maybe even from a bird's eye view, and then come back and say, right, no, I'm really feeling Jane. How do I honestly feel? I'm feeling Jane, but I'm seeing Jane as someone that I can move with in the long term. Okay, me and Jane can run. Okay, me and Jane can run. Okay, that just simply means me and you can be together. We can run this. Okay, we can run this town. We can run this town, baby. We can run this. Okay, it feels like a lot of energy that's coming through. It's like this person's thinking like empire. Okay, thinking of empire. They're thinking of legacy. Okay. There's definitely this energy of legacy, growth, building, balance, okay? Look at this. With the two, seeing you like two mirrors coming together, but like two good mirrors, okay? This is what this person is looking at it. It's like the two of you looking at one another. The song that's coming through, it was Run This Town by Rihanna and... Run This Town by Rihanna and T.I. Maybe it's T.I. or Jay-Z. And then Jay-Z and Beyonce. Okay, Bonnie and Clyde. Okay? It feels very much like that. Come on, we're a duo. We're a team. Okay? So, watch your money transactions. Don't be scams. Okay? But also... it also relates to this context of taking your time to invest, looking at things, making your decision, coming together, thinking, yeah, come on, we can run this. We can run this. You ready, B? You ready? You ready? You ready, Jane? You ready, John? Okay. So we have also self-praise is no recommendation. Now, this also came through for pile 1, okay? So do have a look in pile 1 and gather those juicy intuitive gems there. But it's like this message is like this person is recognizing, yeah, I want a relationship or a connection where we are feeding one another, we are nourishing one another, okay? Not just trying to boast myself and say, oh, I'm good at this, I'm good. Like, no. That's going to lead to empty kind of empty feeling of like this, or an empty feeling of realizing my vessel is not nourished the way that I really want it to be with the energy of the sun, because I'm just talking about how good I am, and then that can lead to some low vibrational energy. Think of like narcissism and things like that. This person's like, no. I'm bringing healthy, like energy into my connection, and it's like this person's realizing it. It's like, yeah, I have to bring in good energy into it. So don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. And this is what they are seeking. You just, like the sun, feel like the sun is like the showing that light of that energy being like sun kissed on you. This is how this person visualize and how they see the connection that they want and they truly desire. Okay, and it's also how they truly desire to have a connection like this with you, where the two of you are like, even through older age or like into your mature age, that you are both connecting like two children, embracing their inner child in union with their divine masculine and feminine energy. Ay, 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 ay. Ooh la la. So we've got so much from just the Jamaican Proverbs and one tarot card, just one tarot card. This goes to show you don't need so many to evoke. Okay, you just allow those intuitive, juicy gems to just flow. Okay. All right. So we're gonna have a quick look, and see what their late nights. Let's see what their late night thoughts wants to reveal to you. So how do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? Okay, reveal the messages the tea sippers need to see. How do they honestly feel about you? Okay, with the sun card being here, and we have number 2 on the number 2, pile 2. How do they honestly, how do they, look at that, they're all trying to come through now. How do they honestly feel? This could be through their dreams, their late night thoughts, their subconscious, okay? And this could be anyone, any love interest, the person on your mind. Okay, last shuffle. Thank you. Let's see what messages they want you to know right now. I'm going to take a collective sip of water, tea, or juice, okay? You ready, collective? Let's take that collective sip before we gather those juicy intuitive gems. All right. All right, we have their uninhibited passion lights up the night like stars in the sky. Ooh la la. Their touch on my skin still lingers in my memory, leaving me craving their closeness. Again, we're going to keep it clean and classy. Hey, let your mind do the pondering and the wondering, child. Hey, their whispers of affection are like a gentle breeze caressing my skin and soul. This is the sun energy coming through, collective. This is the sun energy coming through. Look at all that, the wind and the breeze, okay? Another song's coming through. The name of the band was just there and it's gone. But the song lyrics is summer breeze makes me feel high. Okay, if you know it, put it in the comments down below. Thank you. The last time, so there's something significant about the last time you saw them, collective. The last time I saw them, their eyes were filled with longing, matching the desire in my heart. Ooh la la. Their love letters and whispered confessions are treasures I hold close to my heart. So we're going to have a look later on and see what type of message or love message, okay, or something that they could just tell you, honestly tell you right now. We're going to have a look, okay? Their laughter echoes in my mind and I long to hear it again in the quiet of the night. The way they hold me close makes me feel like we are the only two souls in the universe. So again, there's definitely a divine energy coming through, okay? A divine connection, a divine feeling, okay? So let's have a look at some of those deeper feelings and see what wants to come through. Okay, we're going to use their feelings for you deck and see what wants to come through for the collective. Okay, so reveal the messages the collective need to see. We're gonna use this Shuffle Baby song, okay, to bring in that energy. So for the collective, you chose pile 2. Reveal how this person honestly feels about you. So how does this person feel about you? And collective, do have a look at the All Signs Tarot reading, okay, titled Their Current Feelings for You, okay, to gather more juicy intuitive gems, okay? So how do they honestly feel about you? For the collective who chose pile 2, reveal the messages they need to see right now. We're going to sing our song, Shuffle Baby. Do you know the song? Okay. If you don't, okay, you're going to learn today. Okay. Right. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Woo. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Shuffle, baby. Yeah. Last shuffle. Thank you. Ooh-wee. Okay, so this could be someone you're in recent separation with. It could be someone who's current love interest. It could be a crush. We're going to just see what messages want to come through, okay? So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest, collective. Okay. I find it hard to let go. I find it hard to let go of you. I miss the sound. Look at this. There was a lot of, this reading evoked a lot of like laughter and this kind of feel good energy. And this person could be just reminiscing on those things. I miss the sounds of your laugh. Now, there's also a message that came through that perhaps this could be a friend that also sees you as a love interest. Okay. Because the song by, I think it's Michael Sterling, or the cover by Usher and Lovers and Friends. There's definitely, there's a song, and it tends to come through a lot in the readings at Gwan, Auntie. Okay, if you know it, put it in the comments down below. Okay, and it goes a bit like, tell me again, my lady, that we can be lovers and friends. I gotta know, baby. Ooh, I gotta know. Can we be lovers and friends, child? Can we be lovers and friends? Okay. Can we be lovers and friends? Me wanna know. Can we be lovers and friends? I can't imagine my life without you. Okay. So I want to know, can we be lovers and friends? I just want to know. Okay. I'm sorry if I ever took you for granted. Ugh. I'm sorry if I ever took you for granted. So someone, again, there's like some grown energy coming through. Okay. If I had a second chance, I would do things differently. I would do things differently. I can't help but regret my actions. Again, we've seen this grown energy coming through. Someone's like seeing their ways, recognizing, maybe, yeah, self-praise isn't a recommendation. I've got to learn from that. I need you. Jane, John, I need you in my life. I need you. in my life. I'm just not ready to commit yet. And maybe that's how they may have felt, and realizing, oh no, I may have lost a good thing. I still wear the jewelry. Okay, it could be a jewelry, it could be an item, it could be a garment, it could be a shirt. Okay, it could be anything. There's something that they are fond of. Okay, that you. Okay, so I still wear that jewelry you gave me. I can't stop thinking about you and the things you do. You mean more to me than you'll ever know. So collective, do have a look at the All Signs Tarot reading. Okay? Do have a look. There's lots of messages coming through in this read that is resonating with what was a lot of the intuitive gems coming through in that reading. Your voice is the sweetest melody to my ears. You are the reason behind my smile. Your happiness is my happiness. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I wish things were different between us. So we're going to have a look and see what, with the Guess Who deck, okay, to reveal some messages that you need to see, like just to help to describe who this person could be, okay? So can we have some messages from the Guess Who deck? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? So reveal some messages that we need to see from the Guess Who, just to help to describe, or if there's any messages that are significant at this time that they want this person to know. Okay, we have a question. Any more? Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, so we have a question that's come through. What is their biggest regret? So we're gonna have a ponder on that one, okay? But we'll go through these ones first. All right. So we have, there could be something significant about height here. Now this person may or might be shorter than average. Okay, so they may be shorter than average in height. Travel. This person enjoys traveling and exploring new places. Perhaps also they may also have memories, or there could be some fond memories of you and this person about travel, or talks about travel. It could also be that they want to come towards you. Oh la la. Aries. This person could be an Aries, known for their courage and enthusiasm. They might be spontaneous and loves taking on new challenges. Practical. This person is pragmatic and focuses on realistic and practical solutions to problems. Aquarius. This person could be, okay, an Aquarius, known for their innovation and humanitarian nature. They might be forward thinking and unique. We have here business. Okay, maybe this person might work in some kind of business or corporate entity. Okay, as an entrepreneur, manager, or salesperson, or some kind of executive or officer. Okay. We have spirituality. This person values spirituality and personal growth, and maybe that's why we was getting a lot of lessons, like messages, like maybe things that this person is learning, connecting with their divine, their masculine energy as well as their feminine energies, recognizing the importance of really connecting so that they can be aligned. Okay, so they might engage in practices like meditation or religious activities. So put it in the comments down below if there's any messages here or any clues, okay, regarding this person. And we have 2 questions now. So we have, what are their intentions? So we're going to explore those 2 questions, okay? So we're going to pull out the tarot and see what wants to come through. Let's start with, what are their intentions? What are their intentions? What are their intentions? And how they honestly feel about you. So how they honestly feel about you. What are their intentions? Let's see what comes through. Woo, we have here the 3 of Pentacles. So they want to work things out, okay? We're going to take it to tarot school. So the 3 of Pentacles represents collaboration energy. It also represents energy of teamwork, working together, you know, maybe seeking advice and guidance, okay? Building on things, okay? Taking steps to bring things together. Now, I believe if we look at the Jamaican proverb that we had here, this is definitely giving the 3 of Pentacles energy of being ready with your hat but slow with your money. So, you know, taking time to invest, watching, being mindful, like trying to be responsible, being responsible, taking time to work things, like you to do that due diligence. So there's that energy here of somebody really taking that time. And again, we didn't have Virgo come through, but we still have that energy of the earth sign here. So there could be some, maybe you are dealing with somebody who's an earth sign, or maybe you are, could be an earth sign. But with the 3 of Pentacles, it's definitely telling us that this person wants to invest in this area. They want to collaborate. They want to essentially have a successful team. Be a successful team in this team member in this connection, okay? Oy, 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 oy. Now we're going to have a look at what is their biggest regret. What is their biggest regret? So what is their biggest regret? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? And what is their biggest regret? Let's have a look and see what wants to come through for the collective. Okay. Okay, so how do they honestly feel? We have the four. So we have the 4 of Wands. So with the 4 of Wands is, if you look and see what's going on, what is it? What is the 4 of Wands? We're going to take it to a tarot school. What is the 4 of Wands telling you in regards to what we've just explored, collective, and it's just come through in what is their biggest regret? Okay, give you a little second there. Okay, what is their biggest regret? Now, what this card is telling us, okay, what this card is telling us is that their biggest regret is not seeing it for the first time. Okay, so there could be lots of messages about the last time they saw you and the first time they saw you. Okay, not realizing though, not really taking that time to really appreciate the purpose of this connection, and realizing how this connection is so much deeper. It's also telling us that this person also sees you in this energy as what we saw earlier, okay, that was coming through in the Sun card. The energy of commitment, marriage, and it's coming through again. This person sees you as like a future spouse. This person hopes that this could be repaired, this could be worked on, there's still that energy, there's still that hope that the 2 of you see one another in this light. Okay, you both bringing your again, this energy of 2 and energy of 2. And we had this energy earlier about seeing one another as a mirror. Okay, seeing one another as a mirror, that you both can grow together, work together as a team. Okay, be in alignment, the energy. Think of the 2 of Cups. Okay, now, collective, I feel there's a message coming through to say, do have a look at the other readings, okay, whether it's pile 1 or pile 3, because there's also going to be some intuitive gems there that you can take, okay, and take what resonates and leave the rest. But there's definitely an energy here of this person. It's like they're realizing a lot of things. So we're going to have a quick pull from their feelings for you deck and see what wants to come through in regards to what is their biggest regret and what are their intentions. Let's see what messages want to come through. Okay, how do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? And that's what the energy we're channeling. How do they honestly feel about you? Okay. So we have the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Wands. What is their biggest regret? And what is their intentions? Let's see what additional messages want to come through. Thank you. We have here. You are the one I want to come home to. You're the one that I want to come home to. That says a lot, collective. You are the one I want to come home to. I am haunted by the memories of us. And I'm scared. I'm scared of what the future holds for us. So, last but not least, we're going to leave you with a message, okay? So, this could be like a love letter message or a text message, okay? And this is like this person speaking from the heart, speaking from that energy of the sun, speaking from this energy of growth and expansion, that this person's come to this realization, okay? Maybe after they were seeking some advice and guidance from elders, people that they trust, to help them to consolidate their thoughts, okay? Let's see what message they will give you, okay? If they could give you a message right now on how they honestly feel about you, okay? We're going to channel in that energy, bringing that energy into the reading for the collective to see right now on these timeless messages. How do they honestly feel about you right now? If they could give you that chance right now to just tell you how they honestly feel. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. How do they honestly feel right now? How do they honestly feel? Woo! We have 2. Any more? Any more? Any more? Yes, we have 3. Thank you. We're going to go with that 3. Okay. Oh, we actually have more than 3. So, in the vast universe, our souls found each other, and that's nothing short of miracles or miraculous. Nothing short of miraculous. Miraculous. Miracles. You get the hint. You have this incredible way of making my heart happy with just a simple glance in your direction. Every I love you from me is a promise to cherish, adore, and stand by you forever. Collective, this is the Four of Wands energy coming through right here. Seeing you in that light, seeing you as that future spouse, seeing you as someone that they want to share their life with. Your smile is the sunrise that brightens my day and the lighthouse guiding me through every storm. I've loved 1,000 different ways since I met you, each one deeper and more meaningful than the last. Last but not least, the thought of you brings a smile to my face and warmth that we saw from the sun. Collective, we saw that warmth to my heart. You are my joy personified. You are my joy personified. So collective, tea-sippers, take the messages that resonate, and you know what we like to do around here and wherever you go and watch, okay, tarot. take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. Just leave it. I saw it go. I saw it go, darling. This is messages from Auntie Self-Love. I saw it go, darling. And that simply means this is how, in Jamaican patois, this is how it goes around here, darling. I saw it go. Okay? So, if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe so we can connect with that energy and, let those intuitive gems flow so you can take the messages that resonate and just leave the rest. Okay? And do have a look at the All Signs Tarot reading, okay, to gather some more juicy intuitive gems. And if you feel drawn to pile 1 or pile 3, do have a look also. But be sure to big up yourselves, look good, feel good, stay blessed, and keep sipping. And we'll see you on the next one. Gwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan regenerals. So we're on pile 3, okay? And we're exploring the question and the feeling. How do they honestly feel about you? So we're exploring their current feelings for you right now. Okay, so if you are new here, welcome. And to our subscribers, big up to yourselves. So if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, by subscribing, it helps me to connect with your energy so we can gather those juicy intuitive gems. All right, and comment down below if you just want to say a little bit like a hi, or what you are sipping on today. Okay, I've been sipping on some peppermint tea, but that's now finished, and water, okay, because it's getting hot now, so we got to stay hydrated so we can gather those juicy intuitive gems. Okay, so let's get straight into this read and see Wagwan. Okay, and Wagwan means in Jamaican patois, what is going on? And that's what we're exploring today. So wherever you're watching, welcome. And let's see, how are they honestly feeling about you right now? We have the Two of Cups. So with the Two of Cups is telling us someone really wants to exchange. Now, if there's been like an exchange of digits, there's been an exchange of contacts, there's definitely someone who wants to do that. I can currently hear a motorbike, okay, and the sound of a motorbike, and that's also giving an energy that someone wants to come towards you, okay. Now, it also, with the Two of Cups, if you look carefully at the body language, it looks like there might be some hesitancy in that this person's also wondering if you feel the same way too, okay. It also feels like this person wants to tell you how they feel and even maybe explain maybe the reasons why they have done things. It has fallen on pile 3, so this is also a bit of a telling for us whether there's some energy of growth and expansion. We're 3 in numerology and in the tarot cards representing growth and expansion. Think of the Empress, okay. There's definitely this energy of wanting things to grow. Now, this could be from a crush, a current love interest, or someone from the past, okay. We always say trust your intuition and use your discernment, okay. But there's definitely this energy of really hoping that they can give their cup, okay, in exchange for your cup. So it feels like someone who wants to talk to you on a deeper level. They want you to understand them. It does feel like this person wants to take you out on a date if they haven't done so already. There's this feeling of wanting to take you out on a date. Ooh la la. Now, I was just having a little look round to see if we can find messages about like date messages. So I'm just going to quickly look for the container. Yes, we have it here. We haven't had it for a while. Let's meet up for coffee. Can you see that? Let's meet up for coffee. So we're going to just channel the energy that wants to come through from this Two of Cups. Okay, channel those energies from the Two of Cups. How does this person honestly feel about you? How does this person honestly feel about you? Okay, and we're going to see what wants to come through. Okay, ooh la la. Let's have a look and see what message wants to come through. Reveal the message. Reveal the message. The collective need to see. Reveal the message. Ooh, we got one little fly away. One little fly away. Hey, ooh la la. I've been wanting to know more about your cultural background. Let's grab a coffee and share stories from our heritage. So this person definitely wants to get to know you more. They want to know your upbringing. This is giving, if we look here, this is giving the root chakra. They want to understand, like, really get to the depths, you know. Those are kind of things like, you know, when you're getting to know someone and building a foundation, they want to get to know all of those things, but it feels like also they want you to know and understand them. So with the root chakra located just here, like, it's understanding them. Okay, it's kind of like the understanding those building blocks, okay, of what make of how they got to their adult form. So think of like the inner child, think of their upbringing growing up, okay, how they were raised, okay, what values they learnt and what values they still have to this day, okay. We're going to see if there's anything else that wants to come through. So how do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? Ooh la la. Something come through? Something's trying to come through. Well, I got one in my hands. Let's have a look. Ooh la la. I'd love. I'd love to explore your favorite local spots. How about we meet for coffee and discover new places together? Ooh la la. And we got another message. There's definitely an energy of, look, with the free. And then free again. There's definitely an energy of growth and expansion. So we're going to keep looking and see if those messages keep unfolding. Your smile brightens up my day. Let's grab a coffee and share some laughter together. Ooh la la. So there is definitely this energy of someone wanting to come towards you, okay, and express how they feel, okay. Now it could also be someone maybe from your recent past, okay. It could be someone who wants to tell you how they've been feeling, okay, and it feels like they're very drawn to you. So we're going to have a look first at a Jamaican Proverbs, and then we're going to go and look at the feelings for you deck and see what wants to come through. So for the collective who chose pile 3, the tea sippers who chose pile 3, reveal a Jamaican proverb that resonates with how they honestly feel about you. How they honestly feel about you. Reveal a Jamaican proverb and how they honestly feel about you. How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel about you? How do they honestly feel? Reveal the message they need to see. Ooh, we have 2. So, today for me, tomorrow for you. Today for me, tomorrow for you, okay? So today for me, tomorrow for you. This feels like this person's thinking maybe in time things can come into fruition. Okay, maybe they might be looking at other people, okay, and seeing that they're in successful relationships or connections that are brewing and developing and blossoming, and they're hoping, okay, that they can have the same with you. Or it could be somebody who's been hoping and thinking that maybe there might be a second chance in this lifetime. Okay? So life has ups and downs, cycles, okay? So that's why it's so important to show that gratitude, reflect, and understand if there's like any spiritual lessons or lessons that you needed to see and understand. Okay. However, in relation to how they honestly feel about you, there's definitely this energy of hoping maybe, maybe this might be the chance. Maybe there might be a second chance. Maybe the first time, okay, that we both met and, we were a bit like, maybe a bit, it feels like maybe there was like this energy of like, we were a bit young, we were still trying to like find our own way out in the world. And maybe there's a message coming through that for some of you, take the message where it applies. Maybe there's some of you may have said, you know what, if we're still at this age and we're single, why don't us consider us being an item? What do you think? It feels like there's lots of different scenarios here, okay, coming through. Okay, so today for me, tomorrow for you, in the Jamaican style. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Oh, okay. So we have as well, not everything from above is a blessing. So not everything from above is a blessing, the Jamaican style. And not everything from above is a blessing, Okay, so not everything from above is a blessing. Now, this person could be seeing it like this, like, oh my gosh, pinch me now. Is this actually happening? Perhaps you may have bumped into this person recently. Put it in the comments down below. Let us know what's going on, collective. But it could be that you've bumped into this person. Perhaps this person, maybe it could have been like a casual meet, and that casual meet is now like there's opportunities to this person wanting to take you out on a date. Okay, because there we have some opportunities may come with a consequence, and it could be that this person's maybe there could be this energy of like, wow, is this really happening? Like, is this really happening? Like, what we're both interested in each other. It could be like, again, like a little bit of that hesitancy. There's kind of this energy of feeling like, well, I'm attracted to you and you're attracted to me, so let's make this happen. Okay. And it could also be like there might be a friend who has feelings and wants to express and explain themselves, okay, and how they've been feeling like that for a while. Now that did come through as well in pile 2, so have a look in pile 2. But it feels like this is somebody who might have also like developed in maturity and wants to come forward and tell you how they feel, and really hopes that you might feel the same way. Okay, maybe they could also be seeing it as like, wow, if there's an opportunity here, is this really a blessing? Is this just us just like maturing and really thinking, you know what, maybe this is our chance to just develop a connection together. Okay. Ooh la la. So we're gonna have a look at some feelings now, from their feelings for you, and we're gonna see what comes through for the collective. Okay, so reveal the feelings, the messages that the collective need to see. We've got the 2 of Cups here. We've got some messages regarding dates that they would like to just meet up, have a little casual meet, getting to know one another over coffee. Okay, there feels like there's lots of scenarios here. So reveal the messages that the collective need to see, okay, that resonate with how do they honestly feel. Okay, we're looking into this person, this person on the collective's mind. Okay, it could be this specific person, it could be an unexpected person. Reveal the messages the collective need to see right now on how they honestly feel. And collective, if you can come together with me and we're going to just take that moment to just channel, okay, channel and develop your intuitive muscle, okay, because we're all about empowerment here, empowering you to gather those juicy intuitive gems. Okay, all right, and we're going to sing our shuffle song, baby. Okay, shuffle baby song. It allows that energy to flow because it feels like the energy is sitting, and we're going to be able to pull them from these cards. Okay, thanks you also. Thanks. Rewind. Sometimes we have rewind moments, okay, where it's just like, okay, let's get back, because sometimes, child, the words are not always coming out the mouthpiece. It's like the mind knows exactly what it wants to say, and it's like, ooh, right, we need to get that. We need to get it in gear. Think of like the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz, okay? And sometimes you couldn't always get what he wanted to say or wanted to move until he just just put a bit of oil in his tin, okay? So let's sing our song and reveal some have already come through, okay? So if you're new here, we sing this song called Shuffle Baby, okay? All right, and it really allows the messages to flow. So shuffle baby, you see, shuffle baby, yeah, shuffle baby, yeah, shuffle baby, yeah, shuffle baby, shuffle baby, yeah, shuffle baby, yeah, shuffle baby, yeah. Last shuffle. Thank you. All right. So we're going to have a look at these messages and see what this person wants to let you know right now, collective. And collective, there's also a message coming through to have a look at the All Signs Tarot reading. Check your sun, your moon, your rising. You can also check your Venus if you know it, okay, on your birth chart, and it really helps you to see what's going on with in terms of the astrology in your love life. So let's have a look now. We have, your love has left an indelible mark on my heart. So this person still has feelings for you. And if this is the person in your mind, or it could be someone unexpected, they definitely have feelings for you. I'm ready to fight for us. So they could be thinking right now, Jane, I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to fight. What do you think? What do you think? You are all I ever wanted. I still hope. Look at this. We did say that we came through this energy earlier about second chance. Wanting a second chance with you. I yearn for your touch. I want to be with you, but I am scared. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. I still hold on to the letters/messages you wrote me. You are the one I want to come home to. Do you see, this is why we like to use our little shuffle baby and channel. Take that time to meditate with the cards and allow the intuition to flow. I feel lost. I feel lost without you. I miss the way you used to look at me. I'm sorry for not being able to give you what you deserved. There's a song coming through. I feel like it's the song. It maybe could the title could be "Kissing Games" or something like that, and it goes something a bit like this. I like the way you kiss me when we're playing those kissing games. If you know it, put it in the comments down below. Again, we're gonna keep it clean and classy, but let you do the pondering and the wondering, okay? You are the person I compare everyone else to. You're the one who makes my heart skip a beat. You mean more to me than you'll ever know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I pushed you away. You are my unfinished love story. You hear this, collective? You are my unfinished. Your love is the only thing I crave. You're the only one who understood me completely. Okay? I should have fought harder for us. I'm trying to mend my ways for you. Your love was the best thing that happened to me. My heart still yearns for your touch. I regret letting you go. So again, take the messages that resonates, because it feels like there are lots of different scenarios coming through about this person that has feelings for you, whether it's someone who you may be in recent separation with, or from the recent past, okay, a current love interest, as well as a current love interest, new love interest, or someone who wants to reconcile, make amends. I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. Well, we're getting to see some of those feelings, okay? Here. I've been writing about you in my journal. So this could be perhaps both of you. Put it in the comments down below. Okay, it could be also this person trying to make sense, trying to process, trying to understand and learn the deeper meanings as well of this connection. They could also be trying to manifest you back into their life, okay? So now we are going to look at some guess who's, okay? So this is to help us to understand a bit more on who this specific person could be, any particular descriptions or any interest that they may have. Take what resonates, and sometimes the card may come out that may kind of give an inkling on a particular area, okay? Again, by subscribing, it really helps to connect with your energy. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So we're going to have a look. How does this person honestly view you? How does this person honestly view you? How does this person honestly view you? Reveal the messages the collective need to see. But before we do, we're going to take a collective tea sipping moment, okay? Let's take a collective tea sip so we can gather those juicy, intuitive gems together. I've got my water. Okay, let's get sipping. All right. Also, by hydrating as a tarot, it really helps to connect with the intuition and allowing those intuitive gems to flow. Okay, all right, and it's also a great way for you, okay, as the viewer, to develop your intuitive muscle. Again, we're all about empowerment here. Okay, so channel those messages that the collective need to see. How do they honestly view you? How do they honestly view you? Reveal the messages the collective who chose pile 3 need to see. How do they honestly view you? Any possible descriptions of this person? We're trying to come through. Okay, last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. So we've got all these juicy, juicy intuitive gems collective coming through on who this person could be from our Guess Who deck. So we have a wild card. So this could be a twin flame. So this card indicates a deep spiritual connection or soulmate energy between you and this person. And with the Two of Cups, okay, that's the one thing that we didn't mention earlier, apart from our Tarot School segment. There is the Two of Cups can represent the soulmate energy, okay? It can represent a soulmate energy. Now, in terms of twin flame just simply means that it's like a soul being split in two, okay? And each part has to go and do their separate journey, okay? Now, they may come across one another in a lifetime, and then if they've both done the work on each side, okay, to heal any wounds, release, let go, all of those things, okay, grow, mature, instead of taking, like, blaming others, taking accountability for their actions, recognizing how their actions has a cause and a reaction, okay, and or consequence, doing all that healing, okay, taking on accountability and recognizing and reflecting and showing gratitude, all those kind of good things. That it's the idea that you both can come back together and you share what you've both learned, and essentially making both, like, you come both as a twin flame, both coming mirroring one another and building on that growth and of that healing growth, okay? So essentially it's kind of like the twin flame journey is basically like the fool's journey, okay? Going to find yourself, learn, heal, grow, come back and reunite, okay? We have funny. This person has a great sense of humor and loves to make others laugh. Again, take the messages that resonate. Leo, this person could be known for their confidence and generosity. They might enjoy being in the spotlight and is often very charismatic. Wealth. This person values financial stability and wealth. They might be focused on building financial security. Laid back. This person is relaxed and easygoing, not easily stressed by life's challenges. We have service career, occupation / career. So this person works in a service role, okay? It could be a public service role, okay? Customer service role, okay? Maybe working with people. So we've got some examples here. So like a police officer, firefighter, or military personnel. We have an intriguing question to explore. What is their biggest challenge? So we're going to put that here and have a look later on. We have a personalized message for the UT sippers. So just know, T sippers, okay, that you are loved. And if you see this message, let this be your reminder that you are loved. supported, and to embrace self-love. Okay. This person could possibly be in the educational field. Okay. So, for example, a teacher, professor, or researcher. Career. This person values career and professional achievements. They might be very focused on their work and career growth. Libra. Perhaps this person could be a Libra. Okay. This person could be known for their diplomacy and grace. They might value harmony and balance in relationships. There's definitely also that energy with the Libra of the scales. Okay. And with this Two of Cups to get here as well. Like the justice of love. Okay. Freedom. This person values personal freedom and independence. They might enjoy having their freedom to make their own choices. Scorpio. This person could possibly be a Scorpio, known for their passion and resourcefulness. They might have a mysterious aura and intense emotions. Healthcare. This person may be involved in healthcare. Okay, so we've got some examples such as a doctor, nurse, or therapist, or they could be like a counselor or advice, or offer some advice or consultancy or guidance of some sort. Shy. This person is shy and may take time to open up to others. And maybe that's what we're seeing, this little bit of a hesitancy. Okay, it may take them some time to warm up, to come towards, to say how they feel. Cancer. This person could be a Cancer, known for their emotional depth and intuition. They might be nurturing and protective. Eye color. So there could be something significant with eye color. So if it's not the green color, it could be just eye color in general. So this person has green eyes, which could be emerald or hazel green. Oh la la. We have another intriguing question to explore. What drives them? What drives this person? So we're going to have a look later. We have another eye color. So there's definitely something significant here about eye color. The eye color here is brown. So this person may have brown eyes ranging from light amber to dark chocolate. Capricorn. This person could be a Capricorn, known for their discipline and responsibility. They might be ambitious and hard-working. And we have arts. This person enjoys artistic activities like painting, dance, or photography. So we have some questions. What drives them? And what is their biggest challenge? So we're going to pull out the tarot and have a look and see what wants to come through for what drives them, what drives them, what drives them, what drives them. Let's have a look and see. Ooh, one wanted to come through. We have the Judgment. So with the Judgment, this is telling us that this person knows that they need to make a decision. They know they need to make a decision. Can we have another card, please? And it could also be that this person knows and is like appreciating now the difference, or like understanding cause, reaction, cause, consequence. And it feels like they're coming to, there's a saying like the chicken's coming to roost, but it's like they're coming to, the message is like that someone's coming to their senses and realizing, you know, it's a give and take. It's a give and take. They have to be open to receive, okay? Receive to be open to receive. It's an exchange. Okay, and this is very much what the Two of Cups is really telling us, that there's an exchange has to take place, or is being taken place, okay, or is taking place, okay. And this is essentially what the Judgment card is telling us. But let's have any more details about what drives them. What drives them? Any more messages? We have the Page of Cups. So look at it. Do you see the like all those intuitive, that water that going into that cup? It's like filling their cup. It's like this person's recognizing that they've got to not be afraid. Now, perhaps this person, because it's coming up as a Page of Cups, that there is a message, and we can see there's messages of love here. It could also be that this person may, can be quite shy, can be quite reserved, and perhaps they may show very subtle ways of showing affection. Okay, sometimes it's so subtle that it's like the recipient might not even realize that they are showing interest. Okay, and it could be even like the interest, like how we had earlier from messages about coffee. I would love to explore your favorite local hotspots, okay, but not realizing that is probably could be a really subtle way of how they're trying to show you interest. We're gonna have a quick look and see if there's any messages that want to come through from this hidden oracle. Any messages? Yes, we have. I wish I could take back my words. So there's definitely this energy of someone's having some regrets, and that could be also why we're seeing the Judgment card as well, or maybe not saying enough, not saying what they really wanted to say. Okay, again with that energy of the Page of Cups, maybe it's very, very small, subtle gestures that they may show. Okay, so, and that was what drives them. What drives them? So it feels like with what we're getting with what drives them is that this person is also realizing that they've got to not be afraid to take big leaps of faith. Okay, because look what we have here: the sun, and the Lovers. Look at this. So there's definitely a soulmate energy connection here. The Lovers also represents making choices and decisions. Okay, and with the Judgment card, it's really saying, look, sometimes you may have got in your way and that has hindered you, and this could be a lesson for us all. Sometimes we might self-sabotage and then look back in time, or have that time to reflect and go, oh wow, I could have done better. And it feels like this is what this person is doing. Okay, I'm going to pull from the middle. Yes, the Ace of Pentacles. So it feels like there might be another opportunity arising. Maybe it could be, again, maybe like a bumping into this person by accident, and it's like, oh, well, would you like to go out, try something? Perhaps this person may be in a better position financially. Perhaps this person may want to talk about like maybe they could be have a better job or a career, and now it's opened more doors for them. It feels like there's quite a lot, because look what we have: Seven of Pentacles. It feels like there is definitely, perhaps someone has been focused on their career, because we do see the career value here, but it could also be now they're realizing, you know what, I've got to be open to receive. I'm very open to receive when it comes to my career, so why am I not doing it in my love life? And this is creating this energy of really asking themselves what really drives you, and what are you prioritizing? Is it leaving you areas for growth and expansion? Okay. Oh la la. Now let's have a look at what is their biggest challenge. But it feels like, as we've explored what drives them, we've also kind of seen what the challenge is. Okay, what do you think the challenge could be? Put it in the comments down below. But it feels like the challenge what we've just said earlier is to be open to receive, okay, and vice versa. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. So what is their biggest challenge? What is their biggest challenge? What is their biggest challenge for the tea sippers? Reveal the messages for the tea sippers to see regarding this person. What is their biggest challenge? Yes, the Death card. Letting go and being open to receive. Now I've just got a little phone like vibration message. This always happens when there is an intuitive gem, okay, coming through. This person has to let go. They really have to let go. And it even makes my like tone of voice, because it's like now emphasizing with understanding what this person is going through. But they have to let go of the past and heal, grow, reflect, understand, and not let the past hinder them, not letting it hinder, but actually letting it help them to grow and be vibrant in their decision making, their choices, and not feeling hesitant or afraid or scared to show their love interests how they really feel. Because this person with the Death card really wants a lot. If you see, that we have the rain, but what comes after the rain? We have the sun, and we saw the sun earlier. This also represents transformation. Okay, do you see this? Do you see that little plant? Okay, it might feel like maybe this person may have felt this feeling in the past, that maybe they haven't always been lucky in love or fortunate in love. But the message that's coming through is not to feel no way. Because if we have two clues here, we also have the numbers. If we add those together, 1 + 3 gives us 4. 4 represents the energy of stability and security. And by being secure in yourself and working on yourself and loving on yourself, this is why we're always about, stressing the importance of self-love. The more confidence, the more this person feels about themselves and connects with that self, connects with that energy, the more it opens doors to embrace love wholeheartedly. No more subtle movements that is almost unreadable, but embracing those opportunities so that when these moments of the Two of Cups come forward, they don't feel no way, okay, to embrace and to say how they really feel and show how they really feel, okay? So I hope that answered the question. And look, we still have the sun here. So embracing that. And look, the Knight of Cups. So by embracing all that, it actually allows this person to grow, serenade you, ooh la la, and not feel afraid to serenade, okay? And maybe you see with the Hermit mode as well, it's like this. It's giving us this energy as well of there's nothing wrong with taking some time back, just reflect and see, maybe I could work on here. Maybe there's some things that I can work on, so that in that way, I can recognize, why I haven't been so open in the past and why I can now be open in the future. Okay. Let's see if there's any, before we come to a close, we're going to have a look, yes, and this is what we're going to see. Yeah, we got some love messages here. It's like a love letter or a love text. If this person could really talk to you from the bottom of their heart, okay, their heart chakra is open and ready to receive, okay, with this Two of Cups here, what would they say to you, okay? If they could just, if they were going to send you this message right now, what would they say? So how do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? How do they honestly feel? That's what we're exploring. Reveal the messages the collective need to see on how do they honestly feel. This person had the opportunity to just say how they feel. What would they say? Okay, thank you. We've got quite a few here. Okay. We have, being with you feels like home. Anywhere you are, that's where I belong. Every moment without you feels like eternity. You're the missing piece to my heart's puzzle. To my heart's puzzle. The thought of you brings a smile to my face and warmth to my heart. You are my joy personified. Okay? You have this incredible way of making my heart happy with just a simple glance in your direction. Every I love you from me is a promise to cherish, adore, and stand by you forever. Your smile is the sunrise that brightens my day and the lighthouse guiding me through every storm. We saw that sun coming through earlier. If love was a canvas, you'd be the artist, painting colors into my life I never knew existed. Okay? Our love story is my favorite novel. And babe, every day we write a new chapter together. Hearing your voice is like finding an oasis in a desert. It's life-giving, refreshing, and everything I need. And we have here, you are the secret ingredient to my happiness recipe. Nothing tastes sweet without you. So, take the messages that resonate, collective, and leave the rest. Okay, I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican Proverb, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. But do have a look at pile 1 or pile 2, as well as the all signs tarot reading, their current feelings for you, okay, and gather those intuitive gems based on your zodiac signs. Okay, now we also have the pick a card playlist and the all signs tarot playlist and the collective love tarot playlist. Okay, so gather those juicy intuitive gems. The messages are all timeless. Okay, so be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, okay, and keep sipping, and we'll see you on the next one. Gwan.